Rust can be a common problem for car owners, especially in areas where the vehicle is exposed to moisture, road salt, or harsh weather conditions. Fixing minor rust spots on your car is a simple DIY project that can be done with the right tools and a bit of patience. Baking soda is a versatile, eco-friendly solution for tackling rust. It can be an effective, gentle abrasive to help remove minor rust spots on your car without damaging the paint. To fix minor rust spots on your car, mix baking soda and white vinegar in a spray bottle. Spray this mixture generously onto the rusty area of your car. Then, use a brush, such as an old toothbrush or a soft scrubbing brush, to gently scrub the rusted area. Rub the mixture into the rust, working it in until all the stains are removed. Once the rust is gone, rinse the area thoroughly with clean water to wash away any residue. This natural method will leave you with a rust-free surface, helping to restore the look of your car without using harsh chemicals. Rubbing alcohol is a versatile and inexpensive solution that can be surprisingly effective when it comes to fixing minor rust spots on your car. To fix minor rust spots on your car, start by mixing a solution of rubbing alcohol and water in a spray bottle. Spray this mixture directly onto the rusty area of the car, ensuring it's evenly covered. Allow the solution to sit for a few minutes to help dissolve rust, grease and other contaminants on the surface. Afterward, rinse the area thoroughly with a water hose to remove any residue. This step helps prepare the surface, dries it quickly, and prevents further rust buildup, ensuring a smoother repair process. Liquid soap creates a gentle cleaning solution that is safe for your car's paint while helping to remove dirt and rust. Start by mixing liquid soap and water in a bowl to create a soapy solution. Take a sponge and dip it into the soapy water, then gently rub it onto the rusty area of your car. Continue rubbing the surface until the rust stains are removed. Wipe it down with a clean, damp sponge to remove any soap residue. This method helps to break down grime and contaminants, preparing the surface for further rust treatment or painting. Rust removal spray is a powerful and convenient solution specifically designed to tackle and eliminate rust from your car's surface. Adams Iron Remover Spray is a powerful, easy-to-use solution designed to protect your car's paint by targeting harmful iron deposits. This iron remover goes deeper to eliminate embedded particles that can damage your vehicle's finish. It's safe for all painted surfaces. By following these steps, you can effectively fix minor rust spots and restore your car's appearance, preventing future rust damage.